Hey guys, it's me, your favourite IT YouTuber. So today, because of Adobe Premiere Pro 2020, we've got to upgrade the RAM in the Disco Office PC that we normally use to render the videos. So we're going to do that right now. I'm going to flip the camera around and then you can see what I do. Hopefully it will guide you if you ever need to upgrade RAM in your own PCs. So here we go. Okay, so first we'll yeet the case off the top, whack the screws out. I think you've all seen this one before. It's the glass fronted thing. The glass fronted abomination. Yeah. There we go. Oh, let's plonk that there so I can sit on that in a minute. So upgrading the RAM is really straightforward. You buy a pack of RAM, that way round. So in here there's two sticks. This is 32 gigs, so there's two 16 gigs. In here at the minute we've got one 8 gig stick. So we'll unbox this carefully, of course. Wow, what's this made of? Here we go. Oh, there we go. Right, these there's little tabs on the end of these. Only on one end with DDR4. So you just flick the tab downwards or backwards to that way, and then the sticker RAM will come out. There you go, with goo on it. Yeet that out of the way. The new sticks, just be careful which way round they go in, because this little slot here isn't in the centre. So you need to be aware of which way round that they're actually going in. So you just pop it into the guide, both sides, push down and it will click into place. I like to give them a little wiggle just to make sure that they are seated properly. Oh, vengeance. So they can be fiddly to get in. This one's very fiddly. There's the click. Wiggle it to make sure it's in. That's it, we're done. Just put the lid back on and we're ready to test it. Oh, nice and careful. So that's it, guys. That's all there is to upgrading your RAM. So don't bother taking your PC to the shop for that. This RAM kit that I've just bought, it was 135 quid English pounds for a 32 gig kit, it was quite fast DDR4. So not your average crappy, excuse my phone in the background, not your average crappy RAM. There we go. That's it. We'll power it up and make sure she chooches. There we go. That was it. Nice and easy. Ever so straightforward. Don't bother taking your PC to a shop for that. Like I say, the RAM kit was 135 quid for 32 gig DDR4. This is 3000 megahertz stuff. The crappy stuff that come out. This was just one that I got literally to build the system with. So it's crucial. So it's Kingston RAM, 2400 megahertz. So we should see a bit of a speed increase and a bit of a performance increase. But going from 8 gig to 32 gig in the machine should make quite a difference when we're rendering the video files. I'll let you know in a later video how it went, but it should be fine. So yeah, that's it. That's all there is to it. Literally case off, 2 clips, click the new RAM in, you're done. Jobs are good and we're all Gucci. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time.